jump onto it, and there we can see it rotates, but it rotates kind of weirdly. Let's have a look at debug mode. This is where it's rotating around, its top left corner. So we're going to go change that anchor point. We're going to put its anchor point down here on its bottom right corner. So when it flings off, it kind of rotates around this point here, the base of its arm. Depending on the object you use, you might want to change where the anchor point is, but I want the anchor point to be down there instead of up there. So edit that script again, and when it's created, we will change its anchor point. So from transform, we want to set the anchor point X to its full width. So it goes, instead of here, it'll go over to here. So instead of 0, we want actual width of myself. And then for the anchor point Y, its vertical position of the anchor point, let's set that to actual height of myself. Just with those changes, let's see now. Cool. I think that's rotating a lot better. Now, obviously, we don't want it always rotating like this. So, we will get it to only rotate back about 30 degrees. You can always change this if you want, depending on how far you want it to spring back. So when it starts out, its rotation will be 0 degrees, and then when it goes back -1, it's getting into negative degrees. So I only want it to go back 30 degrees, so we'll say if rotation of myself is greater than negative 30 degrees, I will subtract rotation. Otherwise, don't. So we need an if inside here. We want to ask if rotation is greater than negative 30. So we need a greater than negative 30 and rotation of myself. So that'll make it stop when it gets to this point. There we go, it stopped rotating, as we can see in debug mode. It's not moving around anymore. So that's good. Now we've got it poised, ready to fling us forwards. At that point, we want it to start rotating quickly back, forwards, and then we also want it to send a message to our player to tell it to get pushed away.